Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Peace and blessings be upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his family and his companions and all those who follow them in righteousness till the day of recompense. To proceed, let us begin with lesson 3 today. And before we begin, let's do some revision. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha from the throat, middle of the throat. Ha, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, not Qaf, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, now you had a little Lam, Mim, Noon, Wow, Ha, Ya, and don't forget Hamza. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Let us go to lesson number 3. Hamza, the Waw is the chair of the Hamza. Hawa is the chair of the Hamza. We just read Hamza. Hamza, Ba, Kha, Ta. Ba is one dot on the bottom. Kha is, I'll show you which one. Kha is this one. This is Kha. And this one's Ta. Ta, Ha. Ha, this is this Ha. You know, it's this Ha. The dumb kid says Ha. Ha. It's the normal Ha, you know, not from the middle of the throat. And it's a heart shaped. So this is one of the ways of writing Ta Ha. Ba Ha Mim. Ba Ha Mim. This is the same Ha again. You know, the heart shaped Ha. If it's in the, it's one of the way of writing it is like this. Okay, you wonder how did it go from the heart shape to this? No, I can wonder the same, but you saw it now. This is one of the way it's written. Ra, Za, Sin, Lam, Sin, Lam, Sin. I'll show you which one. This is Lam, and this is Sin. Dha, Ain, Ain from the throat. A pirate says Ah, Ain, Tha, Sin, Tha, Sin, Ba, Jim, Ba, Jim, Tha, Mim, Tha, Mim, Tha, Ya, Tha, Ya, Tha, Tha, Lam, Tha, Tha, Lam, Tha, Tha, Nun, Tha, Tha, Nun, Khaba, Khaba, Dad, Ghain, Dad, Ghain, Ta, Mim, Ta, Ta, Mim, Ta, Fa, Waw, Fa, Waw, Hamza. And once again, the Ya is just a chair. It's a car. We won't read it. We'll just read the baby letter Hamza. Ta, Noon, Ta, Noon, Ta. This one's Ta, 2 dots on the top, and this one's Noon, 1 dot on the bottom, 1 dot on the top. I'll show you where Noon is. This one's Noon, 1 dot on the top, Noon. Dal, a Pac-Man, Dal, Za, Za, Ya, Ya, remember, is 2 dots on the bottom. It's the last letter. Ya, Shin, Lam, Sad, Ba, I'll show you what Sad is. This one's Sad. You can just see the head of it. Sad, Ba, Ghain, Ghain, Ghain. And don't worry if you don't remember everything of this page, especially that strange Ha over there written in the middle. Don't worry yet. Tha, Jim, Ya, Mim, Ba, Ya, Noon, Ba, Lam, Noon, Ba, Noon, Noon, Ba, Noon, Jim, Ta, Ba, Ain, Dal, I'll show you what Ain is. Ain, it's this one, and this is just a permutation. This is just a way of writing Ain. You know why is it like this? It doesn't look like the Ain here. It doesn't. That's true. But this is one of the ways of writing Ain, and you'll get used to it. You know, as you read more and more, you'll get used to it. The ayn in the middle, this is a ayn. Ba ayn dal. Hamim, hamim. Fa qaf lam. Fa qaf lam. Fa, I'll remember, if you remember, this is a flower. And the qaf is the qaf. And this is the lam. Fa. By the way, qaf, it's not cough, it's off from the back of your mouth. Fa, ha, ha. This is another way of writing ha. Okay, this is a way, and this is another way. And you'll get used to it, the different ways. As you read more and more, you'll get used to seeing the difference. You're seeing them for the first time, and that may be confusing, or that is confusing. Dal, jim, ra, taza, taza, صاد صاد طاب طاب. I'll show you what ta is. This one's ta. Okay. Hamza, taha, taha. Ta is the two dots on the top, and ha is this one, okay, from the throat, middle of the throat. Ha. Ba mim, ba mim. The green one is ba. Okay, one dot on the bottom, and the next one is mim. Mim is the microphone. Mim, that one. And it just has this tail straightened a bit. Ba mim. Ya, 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 ya. The first is the two dots on the bottom, it's ya, and the ya shaped, it's ya, that's ya. Noon, sorry, ta, noon, lam, ta, noon, lam, ba, noon, noon, ba, noon, noon. Ha, ha, ta, ha, ta, ta, ha, ta. This one's the same ha as this one, okay? It's just written in a slightly different, the head is there, the head. Ta, ghain, dhal, ta, ghain, dhal. The ta is clear. Ta, it's two dots on the bottom. So I'll show you where ghain is. Ghain is this one, one dot on the top, and it has a head, and it's a slightly different permutation. This is ghain. Ta, ghain, dhal, dhal, dhal. I'll show you which one. It's this letter, the zipper, dhal, lam, mim, lam, mim, lam, mim. And don't worry if you didn't get the ghain, it looks confusing. This is the first time you're seeing it. Subsequently, you'll get used to it. Qaf, lam, qaf, lam, qaf, bata, bata. This is this two dots on the top, ta. Okay, it looks like a ha. It's a special ta, but for now we'll just call it ta. We'll call it ta. Bata, ya, ha, ba. This one in the middle, this is the heart, ha. The Damkin says ha. This is the ha, and it's just another way of writing it. And don't worry that you're seeing the different ways for the first time. You don't get it. You'll get it with subsequent readings. Yahaba, Yahaba, and Yahaba, he gifts. He gifts. And today, gift this video series to someone you know who can learn the Quran through this. Share in your journey. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.